Homeowners looking for window replacement. Country Club Oaks TX can improve comfort, curb appeal, and long-term value with professionally installed replacement windows. Country Club Oaks TX. Whether the project involves home window replacement, Country Club Oaks, residential window replacement, Country Club Oaks TX, or full window renovation services, Country Club Oaks TX. Updated windows help reduce drafts, improve insulation, and give any Country Club Oaks Texas residential window replacement project a cleaner, more modern finish. Energy savings are a major reason families choose energy-efficient windows. Country Club Oaks TX for daily living in Country Club Oaks TX. Insulated windows, Country Club Oaks TX, Energy Star window replacement, Country Club Oaks TX, and double pane window replacement, Country Club Oaks TX are all smart choices for controlling indoor temperatures, lowering utility bills, and replacing aging glass in older suburban homes around Country Club Oaks TX and nearby residential neighborhoods. Older properties benefit greatly from replacement windows for older homes. Country Club Oaks TX because outdated frames and failing seals can let in heat, moisture, and outside noise. A trusted Country Club Oaks TX window replacement company can recommend custom window replacement. Country Club Oaks TX, Country Club Oaks TX insulated glass window replacement, or drafty window replacement. Country Club Oaks TX to restore efficiency while preserving the style of the home. Style flexibility makes modern replacement windows. Country Club Oaks TX a popular upgrade for growing households in Country Club Oaks TX. Homeowners can choose casement window replacement, Country Club Oaks TX for ventilation, sliding window replacement, Country Club Oaks TX for easy operation, bay window replacement, Country Club Oaks TX for added space and natural light, or picture window replacement, Country Club Oaks TX for wide exterior views and a sleek architectural look. Professional window replacement, Country Club Oaks TX is essential for making sure every upgrade performs as expected in Texas weather. Experienced local window installers, Country Club Oaks TX, and a licensed window contractor, Country Club Oaks TX can help with measurements, product selection, sealing, framing, and complete Country Club Oaks TX house window installation so homeowners get reliable results from their investment. Vinyl options remain one of the most requested services for affordable window replacement, Country Club Oaks TX because they combine durability, low maintenance, and cost-effective performance. Vinyl window replacement, Country Club Oaks TX, and support from vinyl replacement window installers. Country Club Oaks TX give homeowners a dependable solution for busy residential properties, suburban home remodels, and new windows for homes. Country Club Oaks TX that need long-lasting value. Many homeowners searching for window replacement near Country Club Oaks TX want a balance of quality, speed, and price. From free quote window replacement, Country Club Oaks TX to window replacement estimates. Country Club Oaks TX. Local teams can provide transparent planning for affordable replacement windows near Country Club Oaks TX without sacrificing craftsmanship, product performance, or visual appeal. Choosing trusted window contractors, Country Club Oaks TX helps ensure the project stays on budget and on schedule from consultation to completion. The best local window replacement in Country Club Oaks TX comes from teams that understand local housing styles, regional weather, and installation standards, while also offering clear communication, dependable timelines, and strong workmanship for residential window replacement. Country Club Oaks TX. A full-service provider offering window replacement, Country Club Oaks TX can help homeowners address both small issues and complete upgrades. If cracked panes, foggy glass, damaged frames, or failing hardware are affecting performance, Country Club Oaks TX window and glass replacement services and window glass replacement. Country Club Oaks TX can restore function quickly and keep the home looking polished.